Welcome Easy Education Online. Take a time to like, comments and share before we proceed. Thank you. Today lesson: infections and diseases. Welcome. Disease
is the abnormal condition affecting the body of an organism.
Infection.
Diseases caused by microorganisms. Endemic diseases. Diseases which occur in one region only. Epidemic diseases. Occurs when a disease rapidly spreads through a large portion of a population.
Pandemic diseases.
Occurs when an epidemic spreads across whole continents. Example: AIDS.
Non-communicable diseases.
Diseases which are not infectious and are caused by factors like malnutrition, inheritance, environment or hormones. Examples of non-communicable diseases: sickle cell anemia, lung cancer, diabetes, marasmus, kwashiorkor, scurvy, rickets, night blindness. Communicable diseases. Diseases which is infectious and caused by microorganisms. Example: gonorrhea, HIV, cholera, hepatitis B, malaria, tuberculosis, etc.
Causes: transmission and prevention of various diseases. Meningitis.
Causes: microorganisms such as viruses, bacteria or fungi. Transmission: direct contact with an affected individual, or sharing of utensils. Symptoms: swelling of the spinal and brain tissues. Prevention: vaccination, avoiding contact with infected individuals, use of preventive antibiotics.
Thank you. Join us on the next lesson. Subscribe for more videos.